everyone, I'm Sia. Today I will show you how to use K518 Pro and BDC03 sold free clip to add a new key for 2022 BMW X3. Now let's show you how to do it.
First we choose to generate smart key. Choose BMW. Select G chassis. Choose BDC3. Attach the Lonsdor key to the card slot. Click Generate. OK. No need to continue generating. Select Cancel. Return to main menu. Then we choose IMO and Remote. Choose BMW. Select from Type. Select BDC03. Select BDC03 key copy. Wi-Fi is connected. Click OK. Copy with the original car key. Please connect the original car key with the adapter clip. After the connection is completed, click OK. Enter the name of the file to be saved. OK. Please check whether the read VIN code is correct. OK. Choose to use Lonsdor key. Place the key flat on the device card slot. Click OK to continue. Generate the key and lock the key successfully. Now let's get in the car. Test if the key can drive normally. New key. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The new key started successfully. Original car key. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The original car key started successfully. Let's try the remote again. New key. Unlock. Lock. Original car key. Unlock. Lock. Remote control is normal.
We add a new key for this car successfully. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more surprise ahead.